Another reggae boy fan. Jamaica 2, Honduras 1. Sum up the game for me.
Jamaica had a lot of chances. Andre Gray, he looked like a brilliant player overseas, but in Jamaica he's not so clinical. He had some chances that he should have put away, and he didn't do it. So, we never capitalize.
All right, this is the final game of the World Cup qualifying campaign for Qatar. So it's over. Sum it up for me. I want to get a feel of what the fans think about our campaign this year. I think, not what I think, but on paper it's our best campaign for a while. The points tally, 11 points. It's a lot compared to what we got in the years prior. What do you think about the campaign?
Well, it was a good campaign relatively, but I think that the coaching staff and the board had a lot to do with Jamaica not qualifying, because in one of the games, I don't remember what team it was, but you had 9 overseas-based players that were playing together for the first time. You can't have that. You can't have that in a match, And since the first time Jamaica went to the Gold Cup finals, ever since that, Jamaica has not repeated the same starting lineup. So it can't work. You can't experiment in a competition, right? So.
All right, you mentioned building and stuff like that. Tell me, what's the next step for Jamaica?
The young players, because seeing that we knew that we weren't going to qualify from 4 or so matches before, it was time to give the young players a chance, and in a match like that, you bring on the players with 2 minutes to spare. What am I going to do? Them can't show so it didn't really make sense after that.
All right, so the young players are ready to go forward for you. Final one, give me your man of the match.
I represent my cousin, Nana Lowe.
All right.